Hello everybody, welcome to this episode of FishNGrillz. For tonight's fish dish, we got a family recipe passed down from generation to generation. Only includes 5 ingredients. We're gonna rip it all up, make it all delicious. Stay tuned. Oh
Okay, next scene.
tuning in for this episode of FishNGrillz!
This is the Bluefin Trevally, also known as the bluefin kingfish, or in Hawaii it's known as Omilu. It can be found worldwide in tropical and in subtropical waters ranging from Japan, Indonesia, Australia, Africa, and all over Polynesia. This fish is part of the jack family, and there are over 150 species of jack worldwide, 24 of which reside here in Hawaii. The Omilu is known for its beautiful, vibrant blue trim and black dots. They're a very powerful apex predator fish and popular amongst fishermen.
Hello everybody, welcome to this episode of FishNGrillz. Tonight we have a dish that was passed down from generation to generation, sweet sour fried fish. For our main ingredient,
This guy right here.
whoa! Our fresh caught 3-pound papio. We're gonna flay it up, dice the inside with the skin intact, fry it up crispy, get our sauce ready, dump it right on top. Stay tuned.
Feeding on mainly shellfish, octopus, and squid, and other smaller fish, they can be found roaming over the shorelines and over reef structures, and at times hanging out in open caves, sometimes in schools of hundreds. The state record came in at 28 pounds caught off kaneohe back in 2007. This is a regulated fish and has to be over 10 inches in order to harvest. The Omilu's meat is mild in taste and firm in texture, which is best prepared as sashimi, poke, grilled, fried, baked, pretty much it's all good. But in this case we're gonna make it fried crispy and top it with a homemade sweet sour sauce.
Okay, we're going in the back now.
We're gonna get our FishNGrillz standard rosemary. You know the kind.
Let's go.
Let's go. Our first thing we're gonna fry is the skeleton. Little bit garlic salt, pepper, little bit cornstarch. Yeah, I left the ribs on there. Just the ribs part and some meat on the bones. Alright, so I kept the skin intact and I diced the meat, so it's gonna look like that. So basic seasoning, garlic, salt, pepper, a little bit of cornstarch, make it all crispy, ready to go.
Honey, fishy.
Yummy. Alright, now for our final dish of the evening, the main event, the papio.
Okay.
Alright, now that our fish is all fried up, time to make our sauce. First ingredient tonight, pineapple juice. Oh, someone opened this. Okay. Oh, covered in pineapple juice. Alright, next ingredient, pineapple chunks. Alright, next ingredient, 1 cup sugar. Okay, so now that the sugar, pineapple chunks, pineapple juice is in there, we're gonna stir it until the sugar melts. Alright, now that the sugar is all lovey-dovey with the pineapple juice and the pineapple chunks, let's add in our char siu. About half bottle. Alright, now it's time to thicken up the sauce. Cornstarch and water. Slowly pour in, stir. Alright, now that our sauce is all thicked up, ready to go, let's add in our final ingredient, peppers. So we're gonna let the peppers cook down just a little bit. And ready to dump on the fish.
Light.
Oh, sweet. Some pork skin side dish. You know the kind. This is how we do. Let's get the sauce in. There it is.
Also with the side dishes, you got the minini, the roy, and the alaihi. Look at all these nuggets, they're nicely cut, ready to eat.
Yum.
Just run it off the body. That sweet and sour, so good.
Oh, I missed this. Mmm.
Oh, that's winners.
Something different.
Yeah, the nuggets are nice, just pick them at you.
Your friend them drinking tonight, you take someone used to whatever. Steal from.
An expert taste tester. Oh, come on.
Alright, here we have is our family recipe sweet sour sauce topped on our crispy fried papio. Thanks for joining us today.
We had some good times, good grinds with some good people, and as always,
Stay tuned for our next episode of
FishNGrillz. Alright. Yes. Alright, now the sugar is all lovey-dovey with our pineapple jaws. Pineapple juice.
Jaws.
Pineapple juice. Okay.
well, that's our outtake right there.